Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a 5-minute makeup tutorial. So if you're running late, you woke up late, you have to be at school or work, maybe you just don't like to spend a lot of time in the morning doing your makeup. If that is the case for you, then this will definitely be your go-to makeup tutorial. I did do a back to school makeup tutorial already, but that one is a little longer, and this I wanted to be more geared towards if you are in a rush and need to get out of the house. And the best part is I'm using all drugstore makeup products again, so these will be really affordable options and very easy to get. So let's just get right into today's video. Okay, so this is probably the least amount of makeup you'll ever see me do on this channel. So I'm starting out with my Maybelline BB Cream. I recommend that if you are in a rush, don't let that day be the day that you try out a new product. Use something that you already love so you know how to work with it. Next up, I'm using the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus concealer, and I'm just going to conceal because if you were running late, maybe you didn't get enough sleep. And since we're not going to be applying much shadow today, I just want to add whatever is left on my beauty blender right onto my lids just to balance out my skin tone. You can also apply concealer anywhere else you may need it on your face. So now for brows, I wouldn't recommend using a brow pomade if you're in a rush. I would say to use a pencil or powder, and again, don't do anything you wouldn't normally do. I am just going to quickly fill in my brows with a Covergirl eyebrow pencil. Now that is done, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild megaGlo contouring palette, and I'm just going to use the powder side and set everything that I just applied to my face. It's also important to set your lids because we're not applying much eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara, and I'm using the Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara. But first I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes. This is pretty much all we're going to do to the eyes, so you definitely want to give your lashes some lift here. Once that is done, I am going to go in with a bronzer, and I'm just going to use the same palette from before with the two shades in it, and I'm just going to apply some bronzer. So the bronzer will just help to warm up your face and make you look more awake, so just applying a little bit of that will really help. It even help make you look like you're wearing more makeup. And I'm just also add some to my temples and my jawline. If you do have some time, you can use the same bronzer on a blending brush and just add this into your crease and match your skin tone, so you won't really have to worry too much about blending shadow colors, but it'll just add a little more dimension to your lids and not make them look so flat and just one color. I think that that makes a big difference. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlighter. This is the CoverGirl TruBlend Super Stunner Highlighter in the shade Pearl Crush. And I am going to just grab a small highlighting brush and just apply this. If you don't have time, this is definitely optional, but for me, I feel like it just makes you look more glowy, and I just like the way highlighter looks. I feel like the base of your makeup, like your face makeup, is probably the most important if you really have to, pick and choose. And then all I'm gonna do is take a small eyeshadow brush. You can use a pencil brush, whatever, just something small. Just pop this right on, use your same highlighter, and just pop this onto the inner corners of your eye. This will really make your eyes pop a lot more. I'm also applying this to my brow bone. So with that and the bronzer combined, it's really going to make you actually look like you have a little bit of eyeshadow on without you having to blend a bunch of different shadows and finding your eyeshadow palette and stuff like that when you're in a rush. So now I'm going to add this Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Petal Poison, and I'm just going to apply this to my lips, and this will be nice because it'll give them a sheer tint. So the best part about a lip gloss is that it allows you to add a little bit more color to your makeup look without having to be as precise as you would with a normal lipstick or a matte liquid lip. And then for my hair, I'm just letting it down. I quickly just brushed through it. So this is the finished look. Like I said, it's super natural. So that is my 5-minute makeup tutorial. It's super fast and very minimal, as you can see. I think that this will be perfect for any of you running late, and it would also be really good for back to school and just every day if this is the amount of makeup that you like to wear. And like I said, I do have another makeup tutorial that shows wearing a little bit more makeup because that's what I like to wear. So that's it for today's video. I will have all the products that I used today listed down below in the description box, so you can go check them out. There is not a lot of products, so that's good. I also do still have a giveaway going on. It ends on September 14th, 2019, so make sure you go check out that video and enter. I will leave a link to that video down below as well. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope that it helped you. So if you liked today's video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you are notified when I upload a new video every week. You guys can also find me on Instagram and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!